Hi, this is Matt with Holly Inspections. I want to show you something very unique that we found during today's inspection. So we can see where this power line comes out of the window here in this garage. What you can't see is on the other side. It's actually spliced together. There is an open splice that plugs into a receptacle. Goes up on the wall here. Comes over here to the power pole. It wraps around the power pole. It splices together there. Comes down, plugs into this receptacle, which is not GFCI protected, does not have a proper cover plate on it. None of this is outdoor weather rated wire. But what's even more shocking is it feeds up to the top of the pole, and it's actually the power supply for that light at the top of the pole. So for all your inspection needs in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Holly Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. It will help prevent you from having shocking experiences like this one could be. Have a safe and wonderful day. Thank you.